YouTube, it's the next day. I figured I'd start this intro before I got too far into things. So, got her knocked off, and then just gotta clean up that hole, and then the 4 holes on the bottom, and then it'll be ready, and then we will be finishing up on it. So, you can see where I left off. That bolt will not go all the way down. We have to clearance right there on the frame, but we'll go ahead and get to that. We'll do that in this video, but we're gonna get back onto the time lapse, cleaning out these holes, just see where we can get to.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
Sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
Alright YouTube, so I went ahead and took both sides back off and painted them underneath where the mount will be at, and then just kind of put a coat on there just to coat it, but it'll end up getting covered with the mount, and then I've got the black top coat paint that'll be going over it. But now to be putting them back on for final fitment.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper.
Alright, so we're going to be taking a break from time lapse. that's just some tacks in. So that's what I've got, as you can kind of see. Just that little section, and then I've also got here as well. I gotta cut this piece right here, tack it in as well, and then I'm gonna end up leaving that spot open as well as here, just to access those bolts on each side. And then, so that'll be, we'll come down here and I'll cut a piece that'll go from probably here to up to the Backyards Customs kit. And then that'll be pretty much all that we need to do for the, just being able to get the cab back on. Get back to the time lapse. Alright YouTube, so I'm going to film this outro. We're going to leave it here for this video. As you can see, the cab is up, hovering over the frame on jack stands. Did not have much time to work on it today. We've been super busy with outside work and had the whole family over working on it, but that'll be it. I'll just put this up as part 2, and then part 3 we'll go ahead, put it up together, put it on, and then any other finished work that needs done, that'll be in part 3. So if you like what you see, like, comment, and greatly appreciate if you subscribe. Helps out, letting me know that you guys are really liking what you're seeing. So we'll see you on the next one.